Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mila Sari. I'm from class 4A. Aku akan menjelaskan tentang place of articulation dan manner of articulation akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya Alfiani Wahidah. And articulation is the process by which sounds, syllable, and word are formed when your tongue, jaw, teeth, lips, and palate alter the air stream coming from the vocal folds. Yang artinya artikulasi adalah proses di mana suatu suara, suku kata, dan kata terbentuk saat lidah, rahang, gigi, bibir, dan pelat mengubah aliran udara yang berasal dari pita suara. Dan articulation learning must involve the acquisition of the ability to move the acquisition in the rapid and precise manner demanded by the language. Pembelajaran artikulasi harus melibatkan perolehan kemampuan untuk menggerakkan perolehan dengan cara yang cepat dan tepat yang diminta oleh bahasa. Dan kesalahan dalam artikulasi atau error in articulation atau misarticulation most been seen as description as some level of the relatively peripheral articulatory process. Kesalahan dalam artikulasi itu harus dilihat sebagai gangguan pada tingkat tertentu dari proses artikulasi yang relatif perifer. Adapun there are 8 basic place of articulation, yaitu ada bilabial. Bilabial sounds produced with both lips. It's both lips coming together and creating a sound. Atau suara konsonan yang dihasilkan oleh kedua bibir secara bersamaan. For example, P, contoh dari kata pay, happy, and B, buy, obey, tap, bump, M, my, hammer, jump, Y, awake, weak. And next, labiodental. The obstruction of the air stream is made by the pop teeth touching the lower lip. Yang artinya menghalangi gigi atas menyentuh bibir bawah. For example, F, V. Contoh dari katanya will, Dewi, and proof. Will, bravery, prove. And dental is sounds produced with the tip of the tongue between the teeth. Atau suara yang dihasilkan dengan ujung lidah di antara gigi. For example, think, toothpaste, pet. Dose, teething, bed. And next, alveolar. Alveolar is sounds produced by the tip tongue touching or approaching the alveolar ridge. For example, C, D, T, S, Z, L, R, N. For example, T, top, egg, bed. For example, D, days, abandon, bed. For example, S, soda, passing, or bus. For example, zipper, buzzing, quiz. For example, L, like, belly, cow. For example, L, rike, or carry, car. And for example, N, Nike, manner, can. Alveolar is suara yang dihasilkan oleh ujung lidah yang menyentuh atau mendekati punggung gigi. And next, alveopalata, sounds produced with the blood of the tongue approaching the heart plate. For example, shout, splash, and genre, vision, or beige. Champion, pitcher, or catch. For example, jacket, badger, age. And alveolar itu adalah suara yang dihasilkan lidah yang mendekati plat keras. Dan next, velar. Velar is sounds produced with the back of tongue and the velum. For example, cat, fucking, or a take. G atau gear, sogi, take. N, sing, or thing. And next, glottal. Glottal is the deepest place of articulation in pharynx. We have glottis or epiglottis, and this sound is coming from the place in the English. Glottal is tempat terdalam artikulasi faring yang kita miliki seperti glottis dan epiglottis, dan suara ini berasal dari tempat itu. Dan contoh dari glottal adalah H atau H, happy. And next, palatal. Palatal is the back part of the tongue goes to touch palate and produce palatal sounds in the English. For example, J, or example J, or yet, or yes, and yes. Palatal is bagian belakang lidah menyentuh langit-langit dan menghasilkan suara palatal di dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan sekian, terima kasih, dan akan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya Alfiani Wahida.
Manner definition. Manner of articulation is the configuration, interaction of articulator speech organs such as the tongue, lips, and palate when making a speech sound. Manner of articulation. The first manner of articulation is stop. Sound produced by blocking the air stem completely and then releasing it in a burst of air. Example, pay, and b. Example, bay, and example, top, or a tad, or bed, and g. Example, attack, and faking. Okay, and the example days or bed, and the last g example take or soggy. Okay, second manner of articulation is fricative. Consonant produced by patrial obstruction of the airstream. Example, no, f, 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 s, z, s, s, and sh, and then z. Okay, f, f like feel, and f like love, and s like the like thing or pet, and then the like those or pet, and s like soda or bus, and z like zoo or zipper, and the last is z like like gender. Okay, and the next affricate, sound that have a combination of a stop and fricative, like j, example champion or catch, and j example jacket or edge. Okay, the next is nasals, sound produced with the airstream passing through the nose. Contohnya yaitu en, and eng. Example may or hammer, and an example night or manner, and the example is thing or thing. Okay, next is liquids, consonant where the airstream pass through the mouth in a fluid manner. There are two liquids. The first is the lateral, like L, example like or call, and the second is the reflex, as R, example ride or car. And the last manner of articulation is glides, sound produced with a relatively wide opening of the mouth and little turbulence, as w, and y. Like example way or work, way or wake. Yeah, example yes or you. Okay, thanks.